turning right, third exit for Teeside A19 South from Washington A1231. This is the importance of looking well ahead when you are driving on the dual carriageways. I'm looking well ahead and I can see a tractor in the left lane. You will be expected to overtake this on the driving test. Learners would just drive up behind it and drive really slow and get done for undue hesitation. You would pick up a serious fault. Mirrors and signalling moving into the right hand lane. I can see the tractor in my middle mirror, left door mirror, signal move back to the left lane. This is a sign that you need to pay special attention to. The sign says you can use either the middle lane or the right lane to go right third exit. As you well know, it's much easier to enter the roundabout and exit the roundabout in the middle lane, so you're picking the left of the two. Normally I would have the signal on for right, however in this scenario I'm going to delay the signal because if I signal too early, other road users might think I want to move into the right lane. So as a guideline, if this signal is going to confuzzle somebody, I wouldn't really put it on. I've approached in the middle lane, so I'm going to take up the middle lane on the roundabout. Counting the exits, there's number one. Keeping to the middle lane. There's number two exit. This is where the middle lane spirals out to the left, so your middle lane now becomes the left lane. So use your mirrors and just keep the car to the left. Do not go over to the right hand lane. Just put your eyes towards that curb and you'll go around in the left hand lane. Mirrors and signal to leave the roundabout. Before you go, it's time to plug the blueprint to learning to drive a car. The driving instructors at Bradley's have developed a paint by numbers step-by-step guide on how to drive a car. The blueprint works with every type of learner. Take the stress out of learning and learn to drive with Bradley's. You will pass quicker with us than any other driving instructor or driving school out there. Don't believe us, just put us to the test. Call now on 0800 328 7099.